Bullish OMG organization cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $5.81 and $10.97 by 2030. Market investigators accept OMG could reach $4.52 by 2025. Bearish OMG organization market cost expectation for 2023 is $1.03. OMG organization presentation. The OMG organization is a decentralized installment network that utilizes a sidechain engineering to bunch a few exchanges off-chain into a group, which can then be confirmed as a solitary exchange on the Ethereum root chain, as indicated by OMG organization. This innovation can possibly scale Ethereum to great many exchanges each second, rather than the 10 to 14 TPS Ethereum 1.0 is presently able to do. The organization depends on a clever scaling arrangement called More Viable Plasma, created by Omisco, an auxiliary of Omise. What is OMG organization? OMG organization is a non-custodial, Layer 2 scaling arrangement worked for the Ethereum blockchain. It is intended to permit clients to move ETH and ERC20 tokens fundamentally quicker and less expensive than while executing straightforwardly on the Ethereum organization. The OMG network is decentralized and empowers quick, minimal expense exchanges in any resource. The local badge of the OMG organization is classified OMG. OMG tokens are utilized to pay exchange expenses on the OMG organization. Later on, OMG tokens will likewise be stackable, and that implies that holders of the tokens can procure awards for assisting with getting the organization. OMG organization was previously known as Omisco. It was established in 2017 by Junhei Skawa and Donnie Haransut. The organization is situated in Bangkok, Thailand. In 2018, it was gained by Omise, a main Southeast Asian installments organization. OMG value history. The OMG token was first recorded on digital money trades in July 2017, and its cost immediately rose to a pinnacle of $12.51 on September 7, 2017. Be that as it may, the cost then, at that point, encountered a remedy, arriving at a neighborhood low of $5.52 toward the beginning of November. Following this, during the crypto market's bull run in November-December 2017, the cost of OMG took off to its unequaled high of $32.29 on the 8th of January 2018. From that point forward, the cost of OMG has varied somewhat consistently between around $1 and $4. On the 15th of February 2018, Omise reported that it had cooperated with Shinhan Bank, one of South Korea's biggest banks, to send off an experimental run program testing blockchain innovation for cross-line cash moves. This news ignited re-established revenue in the OMG token and brought about a huge cost increment throughout the next days. Omisco is intended to empower ongoing, distributed esteem trade and installment administrations across purviews and hierarchical storehouses in both government-issued currency and decentralized monetary forms. OMG specialized examination. The in general negative pattern that started in November 2021 has additionally been affirmed by the 5100th EMAS going about as a powerful obstruction. This is a specialized pointer that shows long-haul financial backer feeling. OMG will probably keep on declining in the next few long stretches of time. Longer-term financial backers might need to consider averaging down their situation or hanging tight for a more huge plunge prior to repurchasing it. The new cost activity gives us trust that the bear market is either at an end or, in any event, a rest from major areas of strength for the pattern. In the H4 time period, the cost hit a help level, making a climbing channel. This could show an inversion in pattern, or in any event, a time of combination before the following move. Besides, on the everyday time span, we can see that cost has likewise tracked down help and has started to shape an altered head and shoulders design. On the off chance that this example works out true to form, it could flag a move back up to ATHs. Thusly, while there are still a few worries in the market by and large, signs recommend that Ethereum might be prepared to without further ado stage a recuperation. For those keen on money management, watching out for these improvements will be urgent in settling on informed conclusions about when to trade ETH tokens. The market is without a doubt looking bullish right now, with the cost reliably making better upsides and worse low points inside the bounds of a clear-cut cost channel. OMG organization current cost. OMG organization is presently worth $1.29 USD. OMG has moved 2.66% as of now with an exchanging volume of $38,685,440. OMG organization is right now positioned 139 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $180,973,220 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for OMG organization to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2023. OMG Organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The OMG cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $1.94. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $1.81 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. OMG is supposed to have a base worth of $1.55. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, OMG Organization OMG cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of OMG will before long outperform $3.23. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the OMG's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, OMG will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.58 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.84. OMG Organization Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $4.52 and OMG might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. OMG is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $4.13 and a low of $3.87 in 2025. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2026. Assuming OMG Organization effectively helps market feeling among digital currency devotees, the OMG coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, OMG will be green in 2026. The OMG is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $5.81, with a base cost of $5.16 and a typical cost of $5.42. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the OMG cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $6.71 by 2027, with a base cost of $6.45 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, OMG has a greatest value worth of $7.10. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $8. On the off chance that OMG figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $8.39. Neglecting to assemble the help OMG needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $7.74. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2029. While OMG is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association,